listen to me. That breakup something. Me, I know maybe if it happen because I never did this before for my own life. So if that's it, don't happen, Me, don't worry. Because I think I'm smelling this. I think I'm smelling this. But me, I know the fear, Sham. I know fear now. But me, if I don't break up, if you break up, I don't go like any gay again. I don't go like any gay. Or the gay where I go do the class and nothing. Don't go like any. I swear so myself. If you just break my ass, not to love again with that. I will not do my. But like it would just be like it's not seeing me processing her. And that's the only dress me. I swear so myself, God. Not be other thing. Like it makes me good. Whether I had the fly to. She's life where. So I better go follow Jarvis talk. We tell her, this person wants you guys to make money together. He has the way he's doing. This one, no answer. I small, but I guess if I swear to my God. See, I meet you. He put music. Man, I come out here for that shit topic. You want to follow talk? I'm small. Man, I come out here, John. Leave here. You guys will leave. If you don't go, you want to stop it, should be changing. You will go front and you come back later. See, Muisi and Jace. I be killing Muisi and Jay. Guys, who know those couple? Guys, if one no work out, one will work out. You don't get? If one no work out, one will work out. Normal. You do your contest robots. Guys, let me tell you guys something. That robot content, now the trend, the robot thing is just like a trend on TikTok. That trend say, but bro, you stamp it on yourself. First of all, you suppose thank God. Say they know they are. You be AI. You say me when I blow, people gonna say, what's it this Peller? Peller is famous for. What is Peller famous? Is Peller funny? Peller is not a comedian. It's not a. They're gonna talk to me anyhow. You gonna play that time. Now you can't be your turn. Maybe say people they talk. Say, what is Jarvis doing? What? There is nothing like what is Jarvis doing. Listen to me. Jarvis is a robot. So all of you when they talk, say what is Jarvis do? Some of you are no follower. Some of you are self. No, they like. See, that robot content. They drop only that robot content back to back. On a go later, the light will reduce on it. But you get robot content and you get relationship content. But that relationship something, it stops. You don't give that space and say that relationship something. Now why we know they do those relationships for TikTok again? We could do licensing. We know they do one. I swear so much. It don't stop and cease now. I know they even they put body for the relationship. What happen? See those Muisa and James. I be kilo. James. Jailer. That's American couple. Like the people even enter Peller, you guys should create a YouTube for yourself and you guys should share Peller and Jarvis. Promise me, I promise you, bro, it will go and you guys will enjoy. Then they always tell me, I just say, bro, Starman will give me YouTube 100,000 subscribers. Before you see 100,000 subscribers for YouTube, you go sweat. He give me 100,000 subscribers. I changed the name to Peller and Jarvis. Say make with the both of us. But the attitude, I don't even post anything there. And I'm going to have for the Bible. I don't post some. But I don't post. No. No, I know they post some. Because if I tell me and Jarvis just do one video, go check my TikTok now. I don't do video with her again. No one go do video with me. Like, you go feel like, if me and you post now, you will say me, that me the relationship content in the favor. How the relationship content in the favor me? Now you know they post body. Now you know they post body. Me, I know. If they like say, now they use Jarvis, thank you. If they do this, they do, thank you. You say, I will tell Jarvis, say, once we do video like this, maybe we post her for Instagram. This one go say, our Instagram is classy. Say one classic camp. Say that our relationship. I don't dey calm down. Only myself, I go just video her hair. If you do it, my baby, I go post them for my own Instagram. And the part of waiting grow my own page. My own dey fake it. Say because no, bro, if not you, God say na your body. Oh, I will take makeup. I will do that your body. But you have two like this for me. Let's do video. Like no. No, you say it will be give you attitude. Fairly much. Maybe I bet you know they disturb us with your come on for yeah. You dey curious. I hold you for yeah. Live here now. Me, it's not paying me. Oh, me, I don't like to talk. Like me, I don't like to be keeping something for stomach. Talk about movements tomorrow. No, that one don't do. Don't worry, guys. 11 o'clock a.m. tomorrow. 11 o'clock a.m. We are going crazy. 11 o'clock a.m. If I don't start 11 o'clock, I was at 12. This guy no get. Now you no get sense. Now you no get sense. Hello, Bruku. She be on I don't happy. Say now, on I don't happy. I say, listen. Let me tell you something. No, let me say that one. Whenever I say that one, that foolish guy. Now don't see content with that for your life. Now when we say you know this, you see that kata if you just want me to rap better, I go whoa. Any day you don't mention pay in your live stream like this. Or basing one here. Now please you go do or learn mobile go. I will go Kini station, I go rap better Kini for you like this. Say yeah, any day where you because when see happen, you can't do your live stream without mention Peller. Even though they mention that name. See, because of how I block that boy, I block him, I swear so my siala. I can't tell this or say make he block the guy. Say he have not do what we make her block. I say Jesus oh block. Guys, I swear so my God. Like the way she did respect Jarvis, I like normal. If I say now only me the respect, bro, I will still be with the guy. That one, the thing will just be like normal vibe, but the way in the respect Jarvis, you go bring go show come your live stream, you go use them to compare Jarvis. Like, bro, I said, like, what the fuck is this? And I block you. Me, I block you because of the way you are respected as gay. But the guy where you dey respect, me, I go to tell that one, say, make you block it. That say, you have not have any reason to block. Guys, now that one he good. That kind talk he good. You have not have any reason. I'm going to feel like, okay, oh, man. Bro, stop all this thing, oh. No, stop. You guys should just stop. All this way on they do, man. I don't understand on at all. When I go front. Forget this matter. Guys, there's nothing like say forget this matter. This will not be fights. I swear so much you go do. I swear I'm just being cool. And if say they pay me with that. I call you. You did not pick. I have tell you say because he's going for training when they do training. You want to drop one content and you want to drop movie of that room or something. I got to say I'm going to call you every 20 minutes to check up on you. Because all that training something, I know they believe those guys, they're going to teach person training. Say, I want to teach and training. The whole land for year. I don't like those things. I don't believe in those things. Make them stop them. So I can't say I'm going to call you. Make them know how they will teach you those training. Because not be me put them there. I don't know how you take Christian. So today he go where he won't collect a robot's clothes. He shall go there, because he can't wear a robot. I don't know maybe the person will wear a robot's clothes. But he can't wear like not even now I don't call like no pick. I can't call the guy with drive and go there. I can't tell that guy say me go inside, me no. Do as you say they do video call with me, just reach out, I can't see everything. Can't tell me say can you wanna go shilo so. I don't like something, I don't like how be that. If I don't like something, I don't like me anybody they do anyhow, be touching it. I don't like it. They say the content that they do me, I don't what the for why would they do content for waiting. I don't like and take. If you are I thought saying that 1 year in the days me. Now 3 years I did Jarvis 3 years. See that time when we do those robots, I did like them that time. I thought they do as this, I did like as this. I know be as this, and I have go and like I like them. she won't make you dey look bad for people front. Make she dey look good. No, guys, if she won't make her dey look bad for people front, make she dey look good. I like it. I prefer it. Me, I love it. That is the best waiting. Now waiting. Sometimes when we say people go dey that might be quiz something. Normal. You know, see that is no sabi the girl. But when she said that, normal, now me, I don't even I talk for that video, I'm not talking anything. Like that video is up. But I can't later push the thing for my head, say, oh yeah, say so something, say now me. I guess I don't like me that they drag because you know get body, you see when I want drag. But if you drag me now, your problem with that, I will go even send you. I don't know, say, you know, people will not get engagement since. When we say people will don't mention their name, they go too happy. Say, but when you come for SWAT, we don't dey talk to person anyhow, but you no reach anything, we don't carry am for shoulder. These people ain't squarely advertise IPT. Advisor is IPT. Go keep make on a break up, make we hear what. Listen to me, that breakup something. Me, I know maybe if it happen because I never did this before for my own life. So if that shit don't happen, me, don't worry. Because I think I'm smelling this. I think I'm smelling this, yo. But me, I know the fear, Sham. I know fear now. But me, if I don't break up, if you break up, I don't go like any girl again. I don't go like any girl. Or the girl where I go do the class and that. I don't go like any. I swear so myself. If you just break my ass, not to love again with that. I will not do my. But like it would not be like it's not seeing me processing her. And that's the only dress me. I swear so myself, God. Not be other thing. Like it makes me good. Whether I had the fly to. She's life where. So I'm going to follow Jarvis talk. We could tell her, this person wants you guys to make money together. He has the way he's doing. This one, no answer. I small, but I guess if I swear to Almighty God. See, if I bring word for you like this, maybe I swear. And that thing, that time when I do for this, my organ said, I will give her some more, say, now like this, maybe we do. I swear, we will sell her better. If I get that sense of saying we won't push something out. She don't know, going to look me less, say, hey, you this small boy, you this, they play. Don't know anything. She said, by everything, I buy, gara, so. So this girl will bring come and lie to me. So that one too they tell her, let's take my boyfriend. I say, see where they reduce my own baby level reach. I swear to God, guy. See, I swear that thing. I just see this girl. I say, Jesus. See her shape. Hey, don't level. You want to take my? They put see. If you that girl, I bet your name. If he touch you, you go rest. That small girl. Don't take my baby. Okay. Now you do the who's a level. Now she now. Without they tell you say, let's stay close to my baby. I swear. I'm not leaving. I'm fuck on I go serve for now. I don't like it because it would say like bro. Alone. God, if I did do bad for this girl, don't punish me. I swear so much. Me, I know. say me, I know clean, so I know clean like that. So, but God, for our own master, Ọlọ́run, I mean, pay for it, me pay for it. Say they pray. And I will touch on, I don't see that's going good. All this just sleep, make on get out, go die. Don't be jarvis sleep, we see him, but focus on yourself. All this focus on yourself, listen to me. I know they follow you, just say I don't focus. If you like, where they sleep, bro, everything will see be as it be. Don't no be, there's nothing like focus. I can do anything on my own stream, on my stream. That's why they call this stream. I can talk to tomorrow morning, talking a lot of things. That's my own thing. But let me tell you why I stress so much ago. You dey sad, you dey every time. Me, I go dey play with someone, I go dey play with every time I'm in a house like this, na sadness, you go dey sad up and down. Sadness. I want to say, you come be like saying another person they see online, you dey shimmy online. But if I see you for you go dey sad to make her happy like this, na problem. Buying, doing everything, see no making happy. That is they enjoy your life on YouTube. You they tell yourself, yeah, focus and fight. No, man, I know they do those kind of things. I know they do those kind of things. And one thing where we say, I don't see me do for my life. They say, this is not the trend, but I don't go bring that. Say, me come and be me. I swear so much God, but I know they do that kind of thing. Say, bro, no, I know they do that kind of thing. I will just do my thing. In my way, even myself is I know you can bring that. Until I say, you know, it is okay to be fine. Why the sub no they make sound? Now me up the sub sound now. The sub sound they make noise. No focus. Okay. Guys, me I want shop. Me I want shop. Let me wash up. Let me show her now. Take this cup. La boo, original la boo, yebo la.
Scared that she might have more money and she might not respect you. You're not scared. You're happy.
Man, I know what I can do.
He's scared.
You do what?
Because wait.
Thank you for the motivate. I have to bring another mood for you guys. I don't want to bring this kind of mood for you guys. With the energy I bring, because I was angry, come. I vex come, man. Yeah. Thank you. For this night, I go sleep. Then go bed day. I go sleep inside here. Thank God for that. But I go sleep. Peller, wait to stop you and your Shema. Shema, you are that. Some of you go to talk anyhow. Go Omega TV, I beg. I dey chop. Wait, may I chop finish before I go any Omega TV. If you want make I watch your video, type your name. Let's watch your video. If you know your videos, wait, type your name. For now. Alright.
She can block me, it's okay. I know she will still unblock me. You know that. She will still unblock me.
That's the fact. She will still unblock you because a woman's heart is very soft. Like, I don't think she's the kind of person that talks. Like, maybe she's angry. She'll just be typing. Does she do that?
No.
Okay, she's just calm and just avoids. You're very strong. She's very strong. I like that. So I should answer your question now. Who said let's do the do? Oh, I'm sorry. That is not part of the question. Are you okay? What's your point embarrass me? Ask me better question, Charlie. Early relationship is always... Who initiated the first kiss?
You know this shit.
That's so.
I shall answer.
Yes. Come on. Will your mommy be angry? No, tell me. Will your mommy be angry? Okay. I knew it! Oh, sorry. I knew it. It's obvious to ladies first. Very demonic witches. Like, girl, you're a bad girl. Give me.
You're bad.
Okay. Can you marry her? Very good.
Yes, because I love her.
Do you know that marriage is not just based on love?
I know.
There's sometimes you just look at your partner and be like, how did I meet this guy? Where did I see? Did you put me in a bottle? So a time will come like that.
No food for the lazy man. Now wait till you know this shit. I swear to my God, Jarvis, you always tell me. Jarvis will tell me, say, sometimes I will just look at you and I'll say, how did I? So this one, you know the food they like. It they mean
Before I love you, I will know that yes, I'm ready. That's why I've never been in a relationship before.
Have you ever cooked for him?
Nah, she has never.
Hey, that one is another test. Cooking is another test. But can you cook, Shaxi?
Yes,
I trust you, girl. You're the first one, right? Or first girl?
Yes.
Yeah, it's normal for first girl. Are you gonna ask me a question? What is wrong with you? Why did I blow? Oh, calm down, guys. Calm down. Stop. It's not me. You can...
Yes, no man. If your daddy tell your mommy say may you not do something, your mommy go do it. I mean, if you tell your girlfriend say may you not do something, him go do it. This one go back foolish shit. Say may you no baba. The one where you bab, you no tell me before you baba. In baba, you never even go reach anywhere. Post a good do. I say they get costume. Where we say if you want act movie, they wear. Go be like say you bab. Now in that the general wear. See this one. Go bab.
Interviewing me. We're interviewing them. Is SK a young boy or a businessman?
A businessman.
Calm down with your do. You people don't understand what this guy is doing to my ear. Calm down. So you say what?
I'm a businessman.
Okay, very good. What kind of business do you do, if I may ask?
I'm a car dealer.
What car do you drive?
I don't like.
No, see, be proud. See, girl, you showing off your man, right?
I like you, but I don't like it.
This is what we call humility. He's very humble. I hate that sound, but don't do it. He's very humble. It's very good. I love how you're low profile. Yeah, but it's alright. So, if tomorrow SK goes broke, I repeat, If tomorrow SK goes extremely, tremendously broke, Shaxi, what will you do?
Okay, first of all, go for it. But I don't like it will be permanent now.
Eh?
Okay, then that's why I say I want to work.
Okay.
So I can support because we don't know how life is. I don't know.
Exactly.
I've been in a family before where my dad went, so my mom was like, so I know how it is for the men.
Entertaining time.
But it won't last long. God forbid.
Amen. Amen. It will not reach there in Jesus' name. So, that's a very good answer. I love that answer. Like, she wants to be intimate. But the Nigerian drama I used to watch, when the woman will start supporting the man, they will start acting like the boys. Would you ever want to act like that? And I'm telling you, I'm the one feeding you. Sit down there. You don't have to really do that.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
No, but if you wash the plates. When you wash the plates.
I can't. All those things now.
This guy. It's scary.
Not like I'll wash plate because I'm broke. Normally, you can decide to do something.
Can you cook for your wife?
I cannot cook.
You cannot cook. So you cannot cook to save yourself.
I can cook to save myself. Indomie.
Yeah, Shaxi, anytime this guy stresses you, don't cook.
Just do it.
Don't cook. Don't cook.
Maybe we should tell Jarvis. Stop giving me.
You will be hungry.
Bro, you said don't try, move on. Say na so na they do for this thing we call relationship. Say relationship na swapping of a phone. We get move on. Ah. You are you really broke the one bit. I swear, I can't dislike Peller. Why do you move him wrong? You so say na today they dislike person. If he dislike me, later he be he come here, come to watch me. So you know me say make the guy push you long.
If you forgive you, I say let's go and cook. But anyways, it will not get to that point. But I don't know if it's good if a man knows how to cook. Do you like if a man knows how to cook?
President say Peller dey inside boss. Say na lie.
Why?
Who want dey inside boss? Me, I don't fit dey inside boss. Do you know my daddy mommy? My daddy mommy is not your mate. You shut up. My daddy mommy is mommy. My daddy mommy. So you shut up.
Not like know that to cook, but
I know.
sometimes
Now, if she cannot cook, I will use YouTube.
I might not like. I might be somewhere. How do you know how to cook?
I'll cook Indomie for you now. Indomie.
So, take for example, she gets pregnant.
Yeah.
How will you help her? Like, assist her around? Because most of the time, I believe ladies, when they're pregnant, they literally want to do it around their man and want their man to do stuff with them.
Yeah,
So
what
you will
else
be
can we
cooking the meat
watch?
for her, and she'll be craving
What
for
else can we
cow
watch?
head, lion heart,
I don't want to
elephant leg.
Still have it.
But let me tell you the reason why I
Money
on
is
this stream.
speaking.
Because I don't trust here. Guys, let me tell you why I'm on this stream. I do not trust this place. I don't know anything. I want to sleep here till tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, when we start to go. So I want to sleep here. And I do not have I don't get the vibing time now. So I just want to be here watching something, doing things. So give me something to watch. I'm not doing Omega. Give me no food for the lazy man.
Anyways, I like the answer. So what question or what dare should I give you to? Ask him a question that you've always wanted to ask him. But you don't have the confidence. See, you have my back. Say you have my back. I mean, correct English. I'm at your back, sorry. Ask. Maybe a disturbing question, like you feel like, okay, I just want to know if this is true.
No food for the lazy man.
Keep on saying.
Bro, you know this shit.
So how are you going to know?
How are you going to know what? Did you get? I don't get it. How are you going to know what? Shaxi, don't do that for you. Say it out. Say, what did you say?
How are you going to know how? So, Oh my.
Guys, what is she talking about? How is he going to know what?
Complete it for me.
Nah, I cannot.
These two people.
Go carry Olosho, make you come on rubbish for my Oh, but they mad you. This one we go carry Olosho. Play music or game. Or tell them, pad me that. Where my pad today? My play game. Where my pad now? You dey look at them. Okay, let me this. Guys, let's play game. I swear to Almighty God, I don't like it. We reject Olosho. Who will carry Olosho now? Now tell me if I won't carry Olosho, if I don't want carry Olosho. Why I will carry Olosho?
Now let her complete.
I reject Olosho.
Complete your statement.
Stop it.
Okay.
What? Guys, tomorrow. Guys, tomorrow, 11 o'clock, I beg. In the morning. Classy media. You go, see, guys, see, I swear so much God, I suppose do banner for that blinding something, composer. But I dey feel like, when these people see this thing, they don't like it, they will feel like same person they want. Like, this classy media boy, this will go, you go put something for this people. Or go they kill you. And the guy go put something for my man, you can't go blind my own eyes to your papa. He go blind my eyes, see, I swear. Go and send that paper. I don't want to do banner because if I do banner, that guy won't do the banner for me. Now where they go be. So the thing they like, they do me somehow. This will go do banner. You go blind people eyes, go put green. Peller music or games of dance. I won't be doing none of those things on the talk. I can only play game, and if it's time for game, I will play. Maybe when I want sleep. Oh my God. Wait, I think they don't finish this.
That mouth. It's a normal thing for ladies to have mouth. That's where our power is. And do you feel disrespected whenever she does that? This boy, God, the guys, I don't understand where this guy is from. This SK guy. Ain't not the verse. Everything is just.
Someone that I love.
They should ask each other questions to know who knows who better. Love, fame, or money.
Love, fame, or money. That's all.
Which one is love, fame, or money?
Choose. Love, fame, money.
I say, girl, you have money to love.
No, calm down. Just choose one.
wait. Okay, if you have not.
Who asked the question? Love, fame, or money? Choose between the three.
Without sharks is money.
So,
yes, now a guy must have money.
Sharks, what do you choose?
One thing we say, what we say, if you use strong part, we say, she know they send, like, bro, I don't send your papa for a year. My woman, I will do my content, I will do my own. You will do the face up. Like, she get that thing for body way. But me, so if I say I guess it here, it was sweet me. But I'm learning, Sha. Let's play game, guys. Let me find game. Maybe if you play. So guys, let's play game on. Let's play game on. Let's play the game. I can't relate with you.